Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Brigy. Today I'm showing you how I maintain my curly texturized hair on travel days, especially during long hours. Travel can dry out curls, flatten them, or cause frizz. So I'll show you how I keep my hair moisturized and refined on the go. And the best part is I use travel size products and sachets, so it's super easy and realistic. So if you have ever traveled and your curls come out looking like a bird's nest, this video is for you. Please keep watching, keep watching. And these are the products I travel with. I use 7 ml or 0.25 ounces sachets, and they are perfect for flights and long trips. And we are starting with Coily Activator Moisturizer from S-Curl Non-Drip. Hope you can see it. Yeah, it conditions and detangles our hair length. Yeah, that's nice. Secondly is Curl and Wave Gel Activator. Yeah, it says it's anti-frizz formula that eliminates shrinkage. Thirdly is Pink Oil Moisturizer Lotion. Yeah, and this one has vitamin E and vitamin B5. It revives the damaged hair, protects and conditions. Yeah, and they don't take a lot of space. They are lightweight and they keep my curls live. And if you don't like taking sachets with you, you can put them on a small bottle like this. Yeah, and you are good to go. This is 15 ml and it's okay for you. And please note this, I do use a leave-in conditioner for my short coily texturized hair because my curl activator already works like a leave-in. So it's important to know using too many products on short hair can cause build-up, so I try to keep it simple. So let me show you step by step my travel routine. Step 1, moisture, and I normally use Coily Activator Moisturizer S-Curl Non-Drip. But before that, I want to mention this. I normally travel with a small microfiber towel like this, and most of the time I tend to go in the washroom and get my hair a little bit wet because I believe when my hair is wet, the products tend to penetrate easily. So let's get started. Yeah, I'm done and I'm going to take out the excess water, just squeezing off. Yes, here we go. And now we're using Coily Activator Moisturizer to hydrate my hair. Yes. Oh, oopsie. Sorry. Make sure my hair is hydrated. Yeah. This is my practical ways on travel days. Like that. Let me pour it a little bit more. Hope you can see. Yeah. Look at that. My hair is moisturized. Look at this. Hope you can see. Hope you can see. Yeah. This is my go-to moisturizer. S-Curl Non-Drip Coily Activator. Yeah. And next I'll go in with Curl and Wave Gel Activator just to define and hold my curls. Here we go. Yeah. You can see, and defining my curls, I like to scrunch my hair, and this one helps me to define my curls nicely. Yeah, just scrunch your hair nicely. Then add a little bit more. Oops. Let's also put in the back. Let me come closer, hope you can see. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Step 3, I finished with Coily moisturized lotion to lock everything. Yeah, here we go. Hope you can see it. Yeah, this is pink lotion. I hope you see. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is to lock everything. Yeah, look at that. Let me add a little bit more. Here we go. And put in the bag. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. What do you think, guys? Let me scrunch a little bit to hold my cast. Look at that. I hope you can see. I come closer. Hope you can see. Yeah. Look at that. What do you think, guys? Oh, and this is a tip for you. If my hair feels dry during travel, I just reapply a small amount. No water needed. Look at this. So you don't need a lot of products to keep your cars healthy on travel days. So that's how I maintain my cars on long travel days without stress. Comment below if you travel often and what your hair struggles are. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.